Hello dear children. Today in this class I am going to explain you the same lesson number 11, articles part 2, and in this part I am going to explain you about the definite article the. In the previous class, explanation of a, n was done, and today we will learn about the use of the definite article, which is the. So without any further delay, let's get started. The definite article the. The is used, point number A, before a person or thing already mentioned or well known as, or a particular person or thing. Now you might be confused with this line. You see the example, give me the red shirt. If you have to write a paragraph or one or two or three sentences about the red shirt, first how will you write? You will say, I have a red shirt. First you will use A, right? I have a red shirt, full stop. And after that, again you are going to mention it about the red shirt. So after full stop you will say, give me the red shirt. Give me the red shirt. Again A will not be repeated. I have a red shirt. Give me the red shirt. First you will use article A, and the second you will use the. So what is written? Before a person or thing already mentioned. If a red shirt, about the red shirt is already mentioned in the first line, at that time you will use A or any other article. And if you have to talk about the same thing from the second line, then you will use the. Understood? If you second example, you see, I have lost the purse that my mother gave me. If you want to write about a purse, then first how will you write? I have a purse. I have a purse. You are saying a purse first, yes or no? After that, after the full stop, you will say, I have lost the purse that my mother gave me. Or you can say, my mother gave me a purse. My mother gave me a purse. I have lost the purse that my mother gave me. So if you are talking about the same thing again and again, then you will use the from the next line. Understood? So question number A, before a person or thing already mentioned in the first line, or well known as, or a particular person or thing, we use the. Understood? Number B, before a common noun in the singular number to show class S. For example, the lion is the king of the jungle. Now lion is a common noun. If the name of a lion is given, then it will be a proper noun. Yes or no? If you if suppose you have a dog and you have given a name to your dog, for example say Jerry. So if you give a name, then it become a proper noun, and if you say only dog, then it is a common noun. Understood? Before a common noun in the singular number to show class. The lion is a common noun. If the name of lion would have been something Sheru or Simba, then we would have not used the. The is not used before a proper noun, right? So lion is a common noun. So before a common noun we show class. Lion is a type of animal. Yes or no? Dog is a type of animal. Cat is a type of animal. So in these cases we are going to use the. The lion is the king of the jungle. And number 2, the rose smells sweet. the rose. Rose is also a type of flower. It's not a proper noun. It is a type. We have so many type of rose, like we have red rose, we have black rose, yellow rose, white rose, pink rose. Yes, these are proper noun, and when we are saying only rose, then it is a common noun. Number C, before the adjective with the plural notion to show a class, as the rich rule over the poor. Now, rich is an adjective, poor is an adjective, right? So before the adjective also we are using the, and the next one, always be kind to the deaf and the dumb. Deaf and dumb both are adjectives. These are quality, yes or no? Rich is also a quality, poor is also a quality, deaf and dumb, these both words are qualities. Number D, before superlative degree of adjectives. I have explained you that before a superlative degree we use the. For example, January is the coldest month of the year. Coldest is the superlative degree, right? So before superlative degree we use the. Second example, Rita is the cleverest girl in the class. Cleverest is the superlative degree, and before superlative degree we use the. Number E, before the names of well-known books, newspaper and magazines, as the Bible is the holy book of the Christians, and the Times of India is a popular newspaper in India. Before the name of well-known books like Gita, yes, like Quran, like Bible, Guru Granth, all these are well-known books. Yes or no? Not for any science or maths or English you are going to write the, but before a well-known books, well-known newspaper, Times of India, the Hindustan Times, so many types, names are there of different newspaper. Like magazines also have different names, right? So we are going to use the before that. Number F, before the names of unique things, earth. Now earth is only one, it is a very unique thing. Stars also, we don't have everywhere stars. Yes, star is a unique thing, moon is a unique thing, right? So before the name of a unique thing we use the. The earth revolves around the sun, the stars shine at night. Number G, before the names of some countries and states. For example, not all the countries and not all the states, right? The Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. Why it is called the Punjab? Because it is a land of 5 rivers. We have 5 rivers in Punjab. Yes, Panch means 5 and Ab means water. Understood? Panch means 5, Ab means water. That means 5 water or 5 rivers. Understood? Do you know what are the name of those rivers? Those rivers are Bees, Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi and Sutlej. These rivers. So in Punjab we have these famous rivers. That's why now Punjab is a special name. That's why before the name of the state we are using the. Don't write the Delhi or the Mumbai. Understood? Now he lives in the USA. He lives in the USA. Why? What is the full form of USA? United States of America, right? And united is an adjective. United is an adjective, and I think I have explained you in point number C, before the adjective we use the. So because united is an adjective, that's why we are using the. He lives in the USA. If you say one is USA, one is UK, United Kingdom, if before United Kingdom also you are going to use the UK. Understood? Number H, before the names of rivers, oceans and mountain ranges. For example, The Himalayas lie to the north of India. The Arabian Sea is to the west of India. Himalayas is a mountain range. Arabian Sea is a sea. Right? So before the name of the river also, like the Ganga, the Yamuna, okay, before the name of the ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, all this you are going to use the before rivers, oceans and mountain ranges. Number I, before the names of trains, ship, aeroplanes, famous building and well-known families, as the Rajdhani runs on time. The Rajdhani is the name of a train. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. Now Taj Mahal is also a famous building. Yes or no? The Nehrus fought for our country. The Nehrus is also they are the well-known families, right? So remember that before the names of train, ship, aeroplane and famous building and well-known families we use the. Number J, before important historical event. For example, the first Indo-Pak war took place in 1965 and Gandhiji started the Quit India movement. Now before any important historical event, what is historical events? The events that happened in the past. Okay, the events, any important events that happened in the past is called historical events. Now number K, before sobriquets or nicknames. Sobriquets mean nicknames. The meaning of sobriquet is nickname. Japan is known as the land of rising sun. What is Japan known as? Japan is known as the land of rising sun. A nickname is given to Japan, that is land of rising sun. Before a nickname we use the. Now don't use nickname before your name, okay? Everybody have nickname at home. Don't use nickname before your name. There are some special names which is known by everybody in this world. Such nicknames, before such nicknames we use the. Now you might have Shona, Mona, this type of name at home. You will not say the Shona and the Mona. Understood? Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. Now Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. It is a nickname given to Gandhiji, right? So we are using the before the nickname. Now omission of article, that means where we are not supposed to use article. No article is used before a proper noun. Ramesh is a good boy. Ramesh is a proper noun, a name of a boy. And Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Bangalore is a proper noun. Karnataka is also a proper noun. So we are not going to use the before a proper noun. Number B, no article is used with abstract noun. What is abstract noun? That we cannot see nor touch, that which can only be felt. Honesty is the best policy. We cannot touch honesty and we cannot see honesty, but we can feel honesty, right? So beauty is truth and truth is beauty. Now can we touch beauty or can we see beauty? We can feel the beauty, right? So no article is used before abstract noun. Number C, no article is used with nouns such as gold, silver, water, etc., which name material. Understood? For example, children should drink milk daily. Now milk is something liquid substance. We are not going to use children should drink the milk. We are not going to use the before any liquidy substance. And gold is a precious metal. We are not going to use the before gold or before silver. Is that clear? So in the next class we will be doing the exercises. Till then, you see the video once or twice, you will be able to understand it better. Thank you.